Hey everyone, I am back with another segment of Clear the Clutter with Christine, and today I'm talking about under the sink. I'm always looking for really great options that are not only inexpensive but look great, and this is my newest find and it's from Target. The reason why I think these are great, number one, no assembly required, and that should be a big thing right there. You don't have to try to put it together. And it comes with two options. You can get a smaller drawer or a larger drawer, and all you do is stack them on top of each other. This is so amazing. I just love it because it's easy and looks great. You just slide it in under the sink. You can add another one if you have the space, another smaller one, or two taller ones, whatever configuration works best under your sink. I always say this, make sure to measure because everyone's plumbing is different. Stay tuned for the after. Hey everyone, I am back and here is what I added: a couple rolls of toilet paper and some taller items here, some hair care products and first aid because this is a nice tall drawer. So whatever you deem important to keep under the sink, the main goal was to add storage and use the vertical space. So stay tuned for more tips from Clear the Clutter with Christine next week.